Aisha. Welcome to my channel. I have started this channel because I wanted to do something new in this lockdown or in this pandemic. So today in this video you are gonna to learn about physics and many new things. So let's start. Let's start with physics. But before starting with physics, we need to know what is science. So science comes from a Latin word scientia, which means knowledge. So science can be also defined as knowledge which we attain from study and experiments. Okay. Now let me tell you the branches of science. There are 3 branches of science. First is your physics. Second is your chemistry. And third is your biology. And one more important thing, as we are going to study physics, physics plays a very important role in science. Okay guys, if you want to note it, you can note. And after this, we are going to start with physics. चलिए अब देखते हैं what is physics. Physics comes from a Greek word physis. From a Greek word physis, which means nature. And this physis word was given by Aristotle. And you can say that physics is the branch of science which deals with the study of nature and physical phenomena. And physics has many definitions. Let me tell you some. Physics is the study of measurements. Physics is the study of matter and energy. Everything that we built in the nature obeys the laws of physics, and everything in the nature also obeys the laws of physics. So let me tell you some branches of physics. Now the branches of physics are, number 1 is your mechanics. And mechanics is the study of motion. And number 2 is your optics. Optics is the study of behavior and properties of light. Third is your acoustics. Acoustics is the study of sound. Number 4 is your thermodynamics. Thermodynamics is the study of heat. There are many branches of physics, but I am telling you only 4. Okay, so after this I am going to tell you what is physical quantity. Okay, now my first topic in physics is physical quantities and measurements. So what are physical quantities? Physical quantities क्या होते हैं? Any quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. कोई भी क्वांटिटी जिसे हम मेजर कर सकते हैं उसे हम फिजिकल क्वांटिटी कहते हैं. And now there are two types of physical quantities. First is your fundamental quantity. Fundamental quantity. Now what are fundamental quantities? These quantities does not depend on any other quantity. Means ये क्वांटिटीज ऐसे हैं जो किसी और क्वांटिटीज यानी किसी और फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज पर निर्भर नहीं रहते हैं, यानी डिपेंड नहीं रहते हैं. एंड देयर आर 7 टाइप्स ऑफ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज. लेट्स नेम देम. नंबर 1 इज योर लेंथ. Its unit is meter. Number 2 is your mass. Its unit is kilogram. Number 3 is your time. And its unit is second. Number 4 is your temperature. Its unit is Kelvin. Number 5 is your intensity of light. Its unit is candela. Number 6 is your electric current. And its unit is ampere. And last, number 7th is amount of substance. Its unit is mole. Okay. Now let's repeat it once. Number 1 is your length. Its unit is meter. Number 2 is your mass. Its unit is kilogram. Number 3 is your time. Its unit is second. Number 4 is your temperature. Its unit is Kelvin. Number 5 is your intensity of light. Its unit is candela. Number 6 is your electric current. Its unit is ampere. And number 7, the last, is amount of substance. Its unit is mole. Now you can take a snapshot of it, and now we will go on derived quantities. Okay. Now we come to our derived quantities. Derived quantity. They are totally dependent on fundamental quantities. Means derived quantities पूरी तरह से fundamental quantities पर निर्भर रहते हैं. And there are many derived quantities. I'll tell you few. Number 1, area. Its unit is meter square. Number 2 is your volume. Its unit is meter cube. Number 3 is your speed. Its unit is kilometer per hour. And number 4 is your density. Its unit is kilogram per meter cube. Okay. Now you can take a snapshot of it. Now we are going to start with our derived quantities, and first will be our area. So before starting these, we need to know a small thing, that what is unit. I told you everywhere that the unit of area is this, volume, the unit of volume is this, the unit of speed is this, the unit of density is this. But we need to know what is unit. So unit is the standard, unit is a definite standard quantity, definite standard quantity of a physical quantity. Unit is the definite standard quantity of a physical quantity. आप सिंपली भी कह सकते हैं कि किसी भी फिजिकल क्वांटिटी का एक कोई स्टैंडर्ड क्वांटिटी को हम यूनिट कहते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ यू कैन टेक अ नोट ऑफ इट. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. And in this video I have not told you very much things, but in the next video I am going to tell you many new things. So please like my video, share and subscribe, and also comment that what you did not like in my video or what you did not understood. So I will be improving in my next video. Thank you guys very much.